Welcome to this guided meditation designed to help you re-energize and recover from burnout. Life can often feel overwhelming, with so many demands pulling us in different directions. But today, you're giving yourself permission to pause, breathe, and refill your inner well of energy. In this session, we'll focus on letting go of the heaviness, reconnecting with your natural vitality, and finding balance again. Simply find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and allow yourself to relax. Now, let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And then gently exhale through your mouth. With each breath, imagine releasing any tension or stress that may have built up in your body. Let's repeat that again. Inhale deeply. And exhale, letting it all go. As you settle in, allow your mind and body to soften, knowing that this time is for you. There is nothing else you need to do. Nowhere else you need to be. Just be here now, fully present. Start by gently bringing your attention to your body. Notice how it feels in this moment. Maybe you're holding tension in certain areas. Your shoulders, your neck, your jaw. Without judgment, simply become aware of these sensations. And as you continue breathing, imagine sending your breath to those areas, letting the tension melt away. Now, let's shift your focus to your energy. You may feel drained, depleted, or even exhausted. But know that within you lies a deep well of energy. Sometimes it's just a matter of reconnecting with it. Visualize a warm, glowing light at the center of your chest. This light represents your inner energy, your life force. It may feel dim right now, but with each breath, imagine it growing stronger and brighter. Inhale deeply, drawing in new, fresh energy. Exhale, releasing anything that no longer serves you. As you focus on this glowing light, allow it to expand with each breath. See it spreading throughout your body, filling your arms, your legs, your head. Feel the warmth of this energy radiating outward, re-energizing every part of you. Your body begins to feel lighter, more alive, more awake. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the image of this glowing light. It's always here for you, a source of vitality that you can tap into whenever you need. Now, take a moment to silently repeat the following affirmations, either out loud or in your mind. I am releasing the weight of burnout and embracing renewal. My energy is naturally returning with ease and flow. I am reconnected to my inner strength and vitality. I am open to receiving new energy and inspiration. Feel the truth of these affirmations settling into your mind and body. Trust that you have the power to restore your energy whenever you need to. As we begin to close this meditation, bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a deep breath in, filling yourself with fresh, renewed energy. And as you exhale, let go of anything that is no longer serving you. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling yourself returning to the present moment. Take a moment to appreciate the time you've given yourself, and know that you can carry this sense of renewal with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation to re-energize and restore from burnout. Remember, it's okay to pause and take time for yourself whenever you need to recharge. If you found this meditation helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more guided meditations. Wishing you continued energy, balance, and peace. Until next time, take care.